Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Volkswagen Jetta. Begin by warming the engine for a few minutes, then shut it off and allow drainage to start. Place the drain pan under the oil pan and remove the drain plug carefully. Replace the oil filter, reinstall the plug with proper torque, and add the specified amount of 5W30 oil through the filler neck. Warm the engine slightly to help the oil flow, but do not work on a hot engine. Position your drain pan beneath the drain plug and loosen the plug with the correct socket, turning it counterclockwise. Let the oil drain until it slows to a drip, then replace and tighten the drain plug using proper torque. Wipe surrounding areas clean to check for leaks before proceeding to the filter step. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, catching any remaining oil in the pan. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil, then thread the new filter by hand until it seats and tighten an additional 3/4 turns. Refill the engine with the specified amount of 5W30 oil, start the engine briefly to circulate, then shut off and check the dipstick for correct level and any leaks around the filter or drain plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.